All right, family. So I got this breastfeeding essentials kit from MOMFANN for the wifey. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, okay. So first of all, I love this packaging. Y'all see that? This is really nice packaging. Like, if I'm receiving something, box is nice, clear, clean, tell you what's inside on the front, and you open it up, and it's nice and neat. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. All right, let's open it up. All right. So what you get, so one, you get 6 pieces of colostrum collector. And for those of you who don't know what colostrum is like the golden milk that breastfeeding moms get at like the very beginning of their pregnancy. It's like really, really gold. And they say it's the best thing that hits the same. My wife started getting some colostrum, and we froze it for later on, but they say it's so good for the baby. So you can get this and you can save it for later, and you could use it, you know, if your baby gets really sick, or if you know, even like topical use out here is really good for. So don't quote me on that. I'm not saying, you know, that it's going to specifically do anything, but I know for a fact that it's really good. Okay, all right. And then you get, oh, we got some milk storage bags. You get 50 milk storage bags. So, and this is nice. It was a good price too, but it's really nice. It's temp sensing. So purple is cold, blue is optimum, and white is hot. That's very cool. Extra points for that. That's super cool. You get 50 of those, and then you get these pads right here, which I'm assuming you can warm up or cool off for mom and her breast. Let's see how they look once you open it. Oh yeah. So yep, you got it. You could do it for hot therapy or cold therapy, and you place it in the microwave, or you put this in the freezer. And you know, let it sit for a couple. Well, in the freezer you let it sit for a couple hours, but in a microwave, just, you know, a quick 15 to 35 seconds, depending on how hot you like it. So yeah, guys, this is it's already pre-sterilized as well. So both kudos for that. So I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because I know for a fact that moms need this, especially my wife. She could use this a lot, and so yeah, I just think this is awesome. This is awesome. So good job, great packaging. 10 out of 10 for me. So highly recommend, guys. Peace.